In this video, you will see how to change candlestick colors in Thinkorswim. So here, this is red color and this is green color, right? So this is not filled, but for easy checking of this graph, I prefer to fill all this green bar or candles. And if you want, you can also change the color of these bars also or the candles also. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to click the settings. So there is a gear icon. We just need to click here and it will bring this type of menu or window, whatever you can say. So from here we have to come to this area which is called appearance. We just need to click here and this tab will be opened. From here we'll see different options are there, and right side is the preview. So here it is showing preview. Right now it is like this color and this color. To change the color, at first we just need to select this thing like border up. This is the green color. We can click here and then from here we can pick a color and it will be changed. Like right now it is like green color, like this color. If we want to change to other color, we can select like this color and it will see it changed. Like this way we can change the color. Okay, so I'm going back to the green color. That is fine. So similarly you can also change all the color of this graph. Now if we want to fill this candle, what we need to do this thing, we just need to click this checkbox. If we click here, we'll see these candles are filled, and if we uncheck, it is like this. Similarly, if you want to check like filled unfilled this down candle, we can also uncheck like this way, but I prefer to fill everything, so I'm going to check both of them. And finally we just need to click apply and then press the OK button, and it will be, this window will be closed. I'm going to press OK button and here it's closed, and here we are seeing the demo of that thing. Now all the candles are like filled, and it's very easy to track the price of this candle, I mean the stock. And that's it. In this way we can easily change the candlestick colors or field in Thinkorswim. Thank you guys for watching the video.